Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data and verifying access. Backup contacts, photos, and app data to Samsung Cloud or Google, and remove or note the SD card. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged into power so the reset won't fail. Confirm you know your Samsung account and device PIN, pattern, or password because factory reset protection will require them. Once ready, open Settings. Search Reset and tap Factory Data Reset to begin the process. You proceed by confirming what will be erased and understanding why it's necessary. Removing accounts and user data prevents lock issues later. Tap Reset, then enter your PIN, pattern, or password when the system asks. This verifies ownership and starts wipe. The phone will perform an automated process. Do not interrupt it. You'll see a progress indicator, then the device will reboot automatically. Make sure you wait until the Android or Samsung logo finishes, and the initial setup screen appears before you finish by completing the out-of-box setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Samsung or Google account, and choose to restore a backup if you saved one. Reinstall apps from the Play Store selectively to avoid recreating clutter. If the phone is stuck on a logo, frozen, or still asking for the previous account after reset, power off and use recovery mode to perform a factory reset or log into your Samsung account online to remove the device remotely. Make sure you have proof of ownership if requested.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.